Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to iPhone 15 Pro. Begin by going into Play Store on an Android and App Store on iPhone. Then install free app called Send Anywhere, and when it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to set it up. To do that, I will start with an Android. Choose I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on iPhone, allow full access in Photo Library pop-up and wherever you want to in the other two, About Activity and Notifications. Now in this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to, and then close it by hitting OK. If you see this kind of pop-up about notification settings, just tap on Cancel to get rid of it. Finally, click on Receive at the bottom of iPhone and then Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Also on an Android, thanks to all of those categories available at the top, you can select all your files that you wish to send. Like for example, photos, videos, audio files, some app data, contacts, and files. The last two categories require you to click on Allow button and then select it Allow in the pop-up, or tap on the gray sweater next to Allow Access. When you finished, just go back make sure that all of your files were selected and then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Finally, click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on iPhone. Then choose OK to allow camera access. And last but not least, point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!